Assalamualaikum everyone. So we are back with another math Olympiad question in which we have 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 is equals to what? And we have four choices here: 0, 5 square, 1 and 5 power minus 2. So if we solve this by using both mass and PEMDAS, we will start from left to right here. 5 divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1, and we will write the remaining divided by 5 and divided by 5. So again we will go left to right here. 1 divided by 5. So we can write this like that, and this divided by 5 will be converted into times 1 upon 5. So further it will be 1 square upon 5 square, or we also can write this into 1 upon 5 whole square, and we can write 1 upon 5 as 5 minus 1 whole square, and powers can be multiplied here, so that will be equals to 5 minus 2. So this is the answer, and we can see that option D is correct here.